Hap for hap around the house, and I want to show you a product that's just wonderful and great if you live in an area that salts the roads, or if you're close to the ocean and you want to keep your car, all your rocker panels and all of your doors from rusting out at the bottom. You see these? You got weep holes in all your doors. They all have weep holes. And what I do is I'll take this product and I'll squeeze just a little bit into that weep hole. This is oil. This is just a very light oil, and it comes with this, they call it stainless lily white oil, but you can just put any light oil in there once it's done. What's nice about this product is you can take the top off and refill it. Also, let me set you down here a second. You can take, and it has an extendable little nose. Take the little red cap off, set her in there like so, and you are good to go. So what you do is you take and you find, just like so, get her in there, turn her up like this, put a little bit of oil in there, just a little bit, and what will happen is that oil will sit in this seam, and as you're driving and the thing vibrates and bounces around, it'll work its way down this seam. I put a little bit in the other side, so like that. Back her up so you can see what I'm doing. Bingo, a little bit of oil. Now don't put so much that it's going to drip out and go all over everything, because you're going to end up with it all over here. But you know, there are all sorts of these weep holes on all your doors. I'll show you this back door. This is on the Rav4. This is the back door. See these holes right here? Right there, there's a hole. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but turn her upside down like this. We're in that hole, and watch, you can see the cars going by. You can see the oil go in just a little bit. Let's see, there's another weep hole right here, just like so. Back her up. Let's see what I'm doing. Give her a little squeeze. There, oiled. I'm going to go around all these doors and I'm going to oil them. You know, with the amount of money we spend for these vehicles, let's try to keep them, you know, from rusting out on us. These things are expensive. Now you can also pop this plastic off, and you can go underneath it, and there's holes that'll allow you to get down into this rocker, which will rot out too. This will all rot out on you if you're not careful. Of course, vehicles are a lot more durable. They use a lot better coatings than they used to. But still, it's rusty. I showed you on a different video. I'll put a link to this video. But this is a 2010. This was all rotten. This had all the paint was coming off. And what I did is I just took a little Rust-Oleum truck bed paint, painted her up, came out great. No more rust. I think that this plastic is a little bit too hard. It's not rubbery at all. It's hard plastic, and what it did is wore through the paint, and then, well, there you go. You're going to get rust. But that is another video that you can watch. I will put a link to Amazon down in the description for this. I can't remember what this costs. A couple, maybe $3 or $4. But with that spout on there, you can get into all sorts of areas. I use this in HVAC, heating and cooling. You can, when you used to be able to oil bearings, this worked out great. You could weasel that little weenie back in there, and you could squeeze just a little bit of oil in them bearings, and it worked out really fabulous. Well, it's hap for hap around the house. Thanks for spending a little time at my house. If you like our videos, subscribe and like. We'll see you next time.